Alright guys, I just backed up to this dumping truck. It's loaded. Looked like I got a coolant leak. Probably what it is. They were on for a minute, cut itself off. So it's probably, yeah, probably low on coolant or busted fan shroud or something. Something done came loose on it or something like that. Wasn't originally told it was loaded, so I started a video a while ago. Tried to pick it up from the back end. Found out pretty quick it was loaded. So, from the front it is. Just gotta love it. Lack of information. So, they get it from the front, chain it down, put some air on it, and the shaft or axles. We'll determine that in a minute. I don't know how much room I got over that drop axle it's got. Pulled it over here to get out the gravel back there. No, I've been told by a couple different people I don't talk enough to explain what I'm doing. But, so, everybody has their own way, chaining stuff down, doing whatever, to each their own. Some guys like binders, some guys don't, some like straps, some don't. Use either or. It all depends on what I'm grabbing, basically. Get my mat so I don't get lay down in that coolant. Creeper, one of the two. It'll work. But yeah, everybody's different. They all chain down different ways. So, but this is just how I do it. Oh, sorry. The way I do it, and see. If I can get under here. I go over the spring. Over the spring. I'm behind the T-bar, which these are old mega links on this here, and you could go back around the T-bar and hook back to itself. That's fine and dandy. It tightens up when you pick up and tilt doing that. But I got 22.5 miles long of chains because I ordered longer than I really needed. You never know what you exactly need until that time comes. So Ended up buying these, but I do that. You know, I go over the spring, around the T-bar, hook through itself, then I throw the excess over the axle, back around, hook down in that loop, because it does basically the same thing as these other guys that throw it just over the spring, back around itself. It's all in the same ballpark of getting it done. Let's see. Oh, now I'm gonna go grab my lamp so we all can see. Coolant dripped in my dang hair. Let's see. Oop. Should work a little bit. It might be just a hose blown. Coolant's low. Ooh, dryer's not up on this side. I'm looking for somewhere to tap air without going in the air tank necessarily, but Western Star is just a Freightliner product. Usually got air dry up front, not on Western Stars per se, but wishful thinking, I guess you could say. But that's not the case today or any other day. But what I am gonna do, brakes are set on this. I done drained all the air down through the pedal. Oh, so much weight hanging off the back end of it while I get up underneath it. So makes me feel a little bit safer getting up underneath it in a second. There goes the air dryer there. Ooh. Let's see. That's it. It's what Ty is looking for. What I needed in my life. I can't sing, guys, so don't judge me by that. Trying to make it not so boring, because I don't know how to do this mess. I don't know how to talk to people. Usually a quiet person for the most part. Unless I'm around my friends and I'll talk then, but pretty much keep to myself. Let's see here. Gotta love it. This just keeps air into it so the brakes stay backed off while you're towing it, because you don't really ever like the brakes to lock down while going down the road. Just doing this, keep my lines from going rogue, dragging anywhere, flopping around in the wind. It keeps it all basically there. She's a dirty girl. Oh, I can see now. It's getting there. Oh. I'm gonna tie that off a little bit. Keeps the wheel straight. Keeps them from turning on you going down the road from wind, whatever. So just tie them straight. It's for the fuel mileage. Get them MPGs up, man. Oh, you hear that chain tighten? It goes click, 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 click. It's tight. Tight like a tiger. Go over here, get my stuff for that drive shaft. You're cool. Straight gangster. Whipping in that badass S10. Need you. Ow. Need you. Damn it. I opened a roll of duct tape yesterday. Went out and flipped some cranes over at the old rail yard. Pretty dope. And I gave a brand new roll of duct tape. Well, I let them use a brand new roll of duct tape keep the chains from going unhooked, because they were like 50 foot up in the air. The motherfucker stole my damn, they kept my duct tape. Brand new roll. Brand new. Just took it. But I don't know how to react to that. What kind of damn person takes someone's damn duct tape? Fat guy going in a little space. Oh, come on now. Well, might not need that drive line buddy after all. One of our guys towed this truck earlier today, and I wonder if he said he pulled that drive shaft or not. Because if he did, it's a liar. Big old fat liar. He telling fibs. Think about fat folks when they build this mess, or about when if it breaks down. None of that. Oh, it's gonna last forever. It's a Starcar. Straight and damn here. Yeah, we're just taking that out. I ain't taping it either. ain't leaving you, sweetheart. You gotta worry about that. Gucci. Got them no-go lights on. Got like a Volvo pin or something. Now where the other one at? Oh, Volvo ain't gonna fit in there. Get these on. Be ready to roll. Let's see. And go in through there. Yeah. Get this one put on. Be ready to roll after I dust myself off a bit. Truck's nasty enough as it is. I'm not gonna contribute to it anymore for me having a dirty ass. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys. So change, chain down. Tow lights. Get the damn headlamp off. Drive them up shaft is gone. Tied. Safety chained. Well, we get cleaned up a little bit and I'm gonna get out of here. And appreciate it for watching, for the thumbs up, and the little bit of people I got that watch my channel. I really do appreciate it. I guess it's somewhat educational, or just a day in the life of how we do this in a great state of Memphis. So appreciate it. I'll see y'all on the next one. I get that down some. I appreciate it, guys, gals, whatever y'all may be. If you don't mind, just give me a thumbs up, and again, I just see y'all on the next one. Deuces.